Hey guys, I'm Dr. V, and you are watching a live day trade of the Micro E-mini futures using my momentum trade technique. Make sure to watch the end of this video so you can find out how to learn this technique. So it is 10:05 in the morning. It's been kind of choppy since open. There's been some good news out this morning, and so I'm looking for a move up, and it might be actually starting to see that. I thought it would have already happened, so I'm a little just kind of watching it for a second here. We've got convergence on stochastic and potential convergence on the MACD and crossing of zero. I'm going to have a new bar forming here, so I think I am going to actually take a buy position here. Yeah, I'm going to enter this. Might get a little pullback here, but that's okay. I'm going to bring my stop down under VWAP, and this is the Micro E-mini futures, symbol MES, trading 4 contracts at $20 a point. Again, I am using my variables that I look at for entering a higher probability trade. And if you've taken my course, you know I look for certain variables, and MACD crossing zero line at a good angle with that green over blue and upward momentum. So we're seeing that right now. And also I like to see K line at 80 on the stochastic, which we are angled toward. I'm in a little bit early for what I would use as my perfect storm setup, but a lot of times you got to get in a little bit early, even if you don't have full confirmation of your indicators. That could be the difference on a good trade versus a bad trade. So sometimes you get in a little bit early, and the trade will fail, and that's okay. You're gonna have trades that probably between 50 and 70% of the time are the trades will be good. But on the flip side, 30 to 50% of them will fail with this particular setup that I use. You're looking again at a 3-minute time frame in a buy position, and I do have a limit order to exit, which I think I'm actually going to pull back here. Excuse my jumpiness here. I'm going to pull my limit order out. Sorry guys, it's the easiest way for me to do it. I had a limit to exit order in place as well, but I just took that out just in case this runs. Usually in the first hour of the day, there'll be a directional run, and because of the good news, I'm expecting a run in the positive direction. So we'll see. I'm going to form a new bar here in about 15 seconds. Five seconds. Okay, everything looks good. Really, I could have waited till now to get in, but I didn't want to miss a potential because of that big push bar that happened. I didn't want to miss out, so I got in a little earlier than I would have probably wanted to. Yeah, everything looks good right now, so we're just going to watch this for a bit. So I've been in the trade now for a little over 20 minutes here, and I'm going to go ahead and probably get out. I'm going to bring my stop up under 2 bars back. It's been running really nicely upward, and as you can see, the MACD momentum bars are starting to flatten, and we've got a negative angle on that K line of the stochastic, still above 80, but starting to angle down, and convergence is coming in. So I'll typically take that as a signal to get out shortly. It could pop here a little bit more. So on this next bar, I'm probably going to start to chase to exit using my stop loss. We've got convergence starting to happen on stochastic. We've got some angling down on the MACD. And so I take that as a signal to abandon this trade. I'm going to go ahead and start moving up on this final bar here. Hang back just a little bit just in case it starts to pop again. It is running at the high of the day. It's making new highs, but it's been doing this for a while now. And I'm going to go ahead and probably pull out of this. If I get stopped out here, I'm at 32.26, point behind where it's trading. Is that it? What's going to happen here? It's pegging on the stochastic. It's really pegging, but the angle's kind of coming down on that K line. Yeah, I think we're going to get a pullback here. There we go. All right, I just got stopped out. Good trade though, $205. So 205 on that trade, and that took probably, let's see, about 23 minutes. So not a bad trade. Nice little. That was the move I was kind of waiting for off with good news this morning. It took a little longer. I thought it would have hit right at open, but you could see how choppy it was at open. It just didn't know where to go. So we waited for that momentum move to happen, which you could see that big bullish bar that hit at about 10:05, and then it just took off from there. So there's your perfect storm trade, and that's it for this one. All right, guys, on to the next.
If you would like to learn this safe and effective way to trade, click the on-screen link, Learn to Day Trade on a Budget. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel for quick access to more live trade videos. Good luck with your trades, guys.